Hey guys, so some of the top specs of the Doogee V30T has been disclosed, and I'll compare the specs with that of the Doogee V30 in this video. Now, while the specs are from reputable sources, I cannot confirm if they are 100% legit or not because Doogee hasn't officially released the specs of the V30T. So make sure to take these specs that I'll be mentioning in this video with a pinch of salt. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly compare the top specs of these two rugged devices. So both the Doogee V30T and the V30 would have the same 6.58-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus teardrop display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and of course the display would have a Gorilla Glass protection. The Doogee V30T, according to the details, would be powered by the Dimensity 1080, while the Doogee V30 is powered by the Dimensity 900. The Android version of both devices are the same, Android 12. The battery capacity of both devices are also the same, which is 10,800 mAh, and both devices support 66 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. The Doogee V30T is equipped with triple rear cameras with a 108MP primary sensor. I think the other two cameras would be the equivalent of the Doogee V30, and of course we know that the Doogee V30 has a 108MP primary sensor as well, followed by a 20MP night vision and 16MP ultra wide. The selfie camera of both devices is 32MP. The Doogee V30T has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, while the Doogee V30 utilizes 8GB RAM and it has a 256GB internal storage. So these are the top specs of the Doogee V30T that is currently disclosed. The majority of the details are still not revealed yet. Once the other details are revealed, like the weight, the thickness, I'll let you guys know. As you can see, the V30T is the upgraded version of the Doogee V30. It's also the equivalent of the Doogee VMAX. I might compare the Doogee V30T with the VMAX to see if there's any differences between the two rugged flagships. I'd like to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.